Good morning from Shanghai, and today we are exploring the old and the new side of this city, and we are starting with some history at the beautiful Jade Buddha Temple. Then we're visiting the famous Hanging Gardens of Shanghai, the Tian'an 1000 Trees building. And finally, we're ending the day at every kid's dream, the massive Miniso Land. It's going to be a long day, so let's get started and please stay tuned till the end. Good morning guys, so we are on our second day and we will have lunch. This restaurant is just below our hotel. Ayan, how cute! So sabi ni Celine, ano daw to, famous sila sa bullfrog. Tama ba? So si Celine kakain siya ng bullfrog. Ako hindi ko kaya. So the way to order pala is via QR code. Maski yung kahapon na restaurant via QR code. Tapos maski yung translation sa walang translation sa QR code. So sobrang challenging yung communication dito. Ito yung bullfrog.
May buto.
May buto pa daw. Anong lasa? Parang chicken. Actually yung daming kumakain sa gabi. Puno sila sa loob. Nag-stay na lang kami sa labas kasi mausok. Pinapatry sa akin sa mga buto. Ay, hindi ko kaya. Wala. Ay, parang spicy siya. Hindi ko kaya kainin. Tatry ni Kobe yung bullfrog. Parang chicken lang naman daw. We've arrived at our first stop of the day, the famous Jade Buddha Temple here in the Puto district. As soon as you step out of the car, you are greeted by these stunning saffron yellow walls that stand out against the modern city buildings, and it feels like you are stepping back in time. This isn't just a tourist spot. It's an active Buddhist monastery. The temple was originally built in 1882 to house two massive statues made of white jade that were brought all the way from Burma. The architecture here is classic Song Dynasty style. The vibe is so peaceful, you almost forget you're in one of the busiest cities in the world. Inside, the atmosphere changes. You can smell the incense and hear the soft chanting of the monks. It's a great place to slow down and appreciate the culture of China. It's not just about the photos, it's about the feeling, the calmness that you get while walking through these courtyards. Here's a tip for you. You can visit this temple for free. That is right, no entrance fee. You can even access the museum inside the temple and soak yourself in China's rich history. This is definitely a must-visit spot when you are in Shanghai.
Khai放以后，就是很多老外的那个药厂啊，那些都在上海开的，因为它上海是个开放口岸嘛，对吧？所以。
Walking sa may Suzhou Creek. Kamali kami ng pin, medyo malayo yung napag-drop offan sa amin, kaya that's why we're walking towards the 1,000 trees na tourist spot. Isa pala sa mga bagay na napansin namin dito, kahit saan ka pumunta, sobrang daming CCTV sa kalye, under a bridge, saang sulok man, tad ng CCTV. Kaya hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng mali. Ayan, kagaya niyan, yung posting yan, daming CCTV. Lahat ng lakaran namin may CCTV. Napansin ko nga pag nag-DDD kami, yun yung parang grabber taxi nila. May pag dumadaan yung kotse sa isang kahit normal street lang, may nagpipicture na CCTV sa amin. Babe, may napansin ka? Walang namamalimos. Galing, kahit saan, walang namamalimos dito. Tsaka Kobe, napansin mo rin ba na sobrang linis? Kahapon nung nandun tayo sa may Louis Vuitton na store, grabe, ino-observe ko lang, may tagapulot kagad ng kalat. Na-observe niyo yun? Meron ngayon? Ngayon, oo. Ngayon ang linis, oh. Hindi lang to yung isolated na lugar, kundi buong lahat ng pinupuntahan natin malinis. Tsaka siguro yung observation natin, babe, na yung mga tao, they look happy, no? Iba yung perception natin na nasa outside ng mundo nila. Pero they look very happy and may social life, di ba babe? Tapos ang bait din nung tumulong sa atin para ituro na mali yung napuntahan natin, di ba? Nag-effort pa talaga yung mag-asawa na English para lang ituro tayo kung saan yung tamang direksyon. Hi guys! So we are visiting Jing'an Temple here in Shanghai. It's one of the most visited places here. It's right in the center of Shanghai and there's a lot of people here. Well, aside from being the Golden Week, for sure a lot of tourists visit here dahil ang ganda niya. It's very picturesque.
Parang may night market doon. Yan yung pinakakasinta ko, diba?
So apparently close na pala yung temple ng 5:30 in the afternoon. So yung labas lang yung nakikita natin ngayon and madaming mga merchants, activities dito sa labas ng temple. So kailangan order, ang ordering through app. Maski sa ibang restaurant, no? Ordering through app. Dami nag-order, grabe. Magkano yan? 7 yuan. 7 RMB? Magkano? 56.88 pesos lang yan. Mura. Mas mura, no? So, nung nagpipicture ako dyan sa spot nila, ako lang mag-isa kanina. Tapos biglang dumami sila. Nagpipicture na rin sila. Ayun, no? Kulit. So, they have McDonald's, Burger King. Ano yan, babe? Saan? Ayun, Shanghai Old Flavor. Noodle House. Sayang close yung temple. So we're just walking in the streets of Shanghai. Naririnig nyo ba sila? Okay, hanapin. So napansin nyo ba? Ang tahimik ng mga streets nila. Kayo, napansin nyo? Ikaw, boy, napansin mo? Dahil nag-research ako, nag-co-convert na yung Chinese government ng electric cars, maski yung mga motor, hindi sila humaharurot na maingay. Ano rin sila, mga electric yung mga motor nila. Maski yung mga bus na naka-convert to electric bus. Kaya gusto nila mababa yung emission nila ng carbon dioxide. Tapos tahimik in effect din, tahimik din yung streets. Kaya pala well, ito yung downside, medyo mahilig sila bumosina dahil tahimik nga yung mga motor, tahimik yung mga sasakyan, hindi naririnig ng mga naglalakad or tumatawid, kaya bumubusina sila parate para to warn na may paparating na kotse. Happy si Noah kasi may Miniso Land. Eh, sobrang happy, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ay, sobrang happy na baby. Nagmamakaawa si Noah na papalibre sa kuya niya, pang birthday gift. Kuya, palibre daw. Kuya, happy birthday daw, kuya, birthday niya. Dali na, kuya. Noah, say please, kuya. Say, I love you, kuya. Ano, B? Are you excited for your Miniso? Show it. Where is it? Sana hindi doble, di ba? Paano pag doble? Wala na. Gift mo na lang yan sa iba.
Alam ko na pag
Ano?
Ganda ng picture.
Twin.
Is nudging.
sabi pag double twins.
Wow, saan yan?
Is nudging.
Sino yan?
That's it for our second day in Shanghai. We had a great time exploring and we hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next Shanghai vlog.